Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair. I've worked with them before. I'm always working with them, like you guys know this already. But today we will be installing another closure wig from them. I think this is a deep curly wig. But yeah, I'm just gonna jump into the installation of the video because I've already show you guys, like I show you guys what they send in the box all the time. If you want to know more information on that, then check out other videos about different wigs that they sent to me before. I'll put it on the screen somewhere, but for now let's just jump right into this video. This is the wig. It is a 4x4 closure wig. So this is how the inside of the wig is looking. It comes with the regular 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, 1 at the back. Comes with this headband thing, so you're able to wear it glueless if you want. And yeah, I did go ahead and bleach and pluck this hair. I didn't have to pluck it a lot though. Like, if you don't like plucking your hairs, then it's fine. You don't really need to pluck it. I don't know, I just like plucking my hair. So yeah, I'm going to be installing this wig today with my Got To Be glue and Got To Be gel. Yeah, I won't be using glue today just because it's a closure wig and I can do it glueless pretty much. But yeah, I am going to go in and put some foundation on the lace, so pretty much like tinting the lace to my skin tone. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm using the Ruby Kisses, and this is in level 10, and I'm using the lighter shade in the palette.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't.
So hey guys, I just wanted to quickly add that Luvmehair is doing a flash sale in November. I think it lasts for a long time, at least 2 weeks, I think, or they probably might do it more, but it's going to be at least 2 weeks, and you will get wigs for at least $50, $49.99. They are selected wigs at low price, and of course they are good quality. All flash sale products are limited, but whatever the prices are marked on, whatever prices you see on the website, that's what the prices will be for the wig. So no code needed, no special like addition, nothing. Like whatever it is, that's what it will be. So do not miss out on this flash sale.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so the trick to making sure the front part of your hair is really laid is to go back in with your Got To Be spray a little on your tail comb, or you can spray directly on the hair, but sometimes I don't like spraying it on the hair because I feel like it makes the hair too like dry, I guess. Like it thicks up the hair and it gets like crunchy, and no. So you can put like a small amount on like your lace, like not the lace, what am I saying? You can put a small amount on the tail part of the comb, and pretty much just spray, like put it on your lace and just use a blow dryer to dry it down, and that will help to further melt your hair. Yeah, just a little tip.
Shadow turns turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So one mistake I did with this hair is not pulling down the lace a little bit more on my hairline. Because this lace is very thin, so it literally sees through. It's very thin, right? And I didn't do my ball cap method. It was best I pulled down the hair a little bit more on my forehead, so the part of the stocking cap that's not glued down would not show if it was under the part of the wig that was darker. So because it was too much under the lace, where like the thin part of the lace, and plus I had plucked it out as well, so it got thinner at the front part, it showed it a little bit, but it's fine because I'm not really, I'm gonna take it off just now. So it was whatever for me. But if you're going to do, like, follow this method of installing your wigs, please to pull it down a little bit more, just, and make sure like the stocking cap is under the darker part, like the areas that are not plucked, because then it will hide it more. Just a little tip again.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Once again, I would like to thank Luvmehair for sponsoring this video. Absolutely love working with them. Like, they never fails. Like, I say this all the time, but it's literally not a joke. It's not a lie. They never fails. Never. They never fail. Period. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.